Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to grow your email list and boost sales at the same time? In this video, I will show you how to create a smart discount pop-up on your Shopify store that automatically offers a deal when someone visits or tries to leave. Let's dive in. A smart pop-up is a timed or behavior-triggered message that offers a discount in exchange for something, usually an email. It's one of the best ways to turn visitors into customers. Let's build on let's build one that gives 10% off in exchange for an email address. In your Shopify admin dashboard, go to apps, then app and sales channels, and go to Shopify App Store. In the search bar, search for pop-up or email pop-up. Choose app. Choose an app like Preview, Pop Smart, or Mailchimp. Sorry, any other app from here. Click on Preview, then install. Open the app from your Shopify dashboard. Then complete the account. Click on Create New Campaign from Campaigns. Or new email. Choose pop-up, then pick a template. Then add a headline from here like that. Edit the headline and add a description and email fields. Create a discount in Shopify under discounts. Then create discount. Copy the code like welcome 10. Paste it in your pop-up success message or enable auto apply. Make sure your pop-up has a clear call to action link like unlock my discount and not just submit. Here's where the smart part comes in. Trigger pop-up on exit intent when someone moves to leave the page. Offer or after X seconds on site, you can also show it only on certain pages. This helps you avoid annoying loyal customers and keeps things clean. Click publish. Then visit your site in a private tab to test the pop-up in action. Make sure the discount is shown or auto applied after sign up, and that's it. You have now got a smart, high converting pop-up that offers discounts and collects emails at the same time. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more Shopify growth hacks. See you in the next video.